Let's solve one problem from Get Physics. So the problem states that a point charge q is placed at the center of a conducting spherical cell of inner radius a and outer radius b. So what is the electric field inside the cell, that is for r, which is greater than a and less than b. So we have an cell of inner radius a and outer radius b. So we have a shell whose inner radius is a and the outer radius is b. So we need to find the electric field inside the cell at a point, let's say at this point, right? Let's say at this point. So what will be so we can write by Gauss law we can write E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. So where a is lies between a and b. So the required answer or the required expression for the electric field is E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. So it's simple expression from the Gauss's law. So hope the solution as well as the problem is clear. So thank you.